Step number 3 Tutorial. How to create your learning agreement. Hey, I'm back. Let's discover together what you need to do. When can I define or modify my learning agreement? Before your arrival you can define it only once, and, after the approval of the PoliTo academic advisor, no further changes are allowed. If necessary you can modify it during the drop and add period, only at the beginning of each semester. You can find the specific dates of the drop and add period in step number 3 part 2 available here. Where can I find my PoliTo academic advisor's contact? If you click on Personal area, on the left side menu you will find the name of your PoliTo academic advisor. The academic advisor is a professor in charge of advising you in case of doubts about academic issues and will support you for the definition of your learning agreement. By clicking on the name you will be redirected to their email address. Now let's start. Switch the language to English from the top right corner of your PoliTo profile. Once you are done, click on Career, Incoming Students, define your learning agreement. You will find the list of courses belonging to your PoliTo degree course. Select the ones of your first year of mobility. These courses will appear on the list below. All the courses you have selected are marked as overbooked courses because they will be sent to your PoliTo academic advisor for approval. When you have selected all the courses you wish to add, you can click on Next to send the learning agreement. At this point, if you wish you can send a message to your PoliTo academic advisor, but this is optional. Then click on Submit Request. Your learning agreement will remain pending until approval by your PoliTo academic advisor. These are the different statuses of the learning agreement procedure. Being defined, you have to start the process. Pending approval, you submitted the learning agreement to your academic advisor. No more edits are allowed and you must wait for approval from your PoliTo academic advisor. Approved. The process is completed. Not approved. Your learning agreement was rejected by your academic advisor. Check the reason and resubmit. These statuses are shown in the learning agreement section. You will receive a message on your PoliTo email address when your learning agreement is approved or rejected. That's all for now. See you soon with another tutorial.